think I'm going to start by going the bank way, bro. So when you come in, head down to, I guess, the center or the church.
Where do you want me?
Hey, do me a favor, kid. Turn it down just a little.
Left or right?
The only way it'll turn. Josh, say something.
Fuck you.
How about press it and then talk?
Fuck you.
I got nothing.
I got you.
Talk again.
Hello. Hello. Tyrese.
Brad, you all ready?
It's been there the whole fucking
Are
time.
y'all ready yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Game starts in 3,
I might not hear you this game.
2, 1, go!
Oh, nice shot. Right in the knuckle. Right in the damn knuckle. Right in the knuckle?
What's up? Switch it to full auto. Okay, now switch it back to single.
Huh? Hey. How did you not hit me, bro? Oh, nice shot. Somehow you got me right in the shoulder. Josh coming through. You good?
Yeah, could have been me though.
Sorry. I didn't know if you were fully there or not. My bad, bro. How many lives did you give us? 3?